Ready to start investing with Freetrade? Here's how to move money into your account and buy your first ETF. Now open the Freetrade app and log in. Tap the account tab and then select add funds. Choose how much you want to deposit. Pick your payment method, usually bank transfer or Apple/Google Pay, and follow the prompts to confirm. Your money should appear in your account within minutes or up to one business day. Now, once your funds arrive, tap Discover or use the search bar to find the ETF you want to buy. Now, popular options include global or S&P 500 ETFs. Now tap the ETF's name to open its page, then tap Buy. Enter how much you would like to invest, review the order details, and swipe to confirm. Free Trade will process your order at the next available execution time, and your ETF will show up in your portfolio once it's purchased. Now, that's it. So, I mean, you have fun at your account and bought your first ETF with Free Trade. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more quick guides, and drop a comment on what you would like to learn next.